Mr. Jayesh Anand, is General Manager of Raman and Wheel. I welcome you, sir, for for this session here, and we are very eager to listen to your companies and all the advanced disinfectants.
Thank you, Dr. Rajesh Bhai. Good afternoon, everybody. It is indeed great pleasure to be a part of this series of continuing quality education. Today's theme on disinfection and sterilization practice, organized by CAHO and Asian Society for Quality in Healthcare. It is really commendable that during these times of pandemic, CAHO has been organizing a lot of training sessions in different spheres of patient safety and updating healthcare services. We, Raman and Wheel Private Limited, are in association with Bode Chemie Germany for the past 31 years. Raman and Wheel has now more than 44 products covering the entire spectrum of high-tech disinfection and antiseptic needs of all medical spheres. Our customer base is hospitals, nursing homes, dental clinics, pathological laboratories, and pharmaceutical sterile areas. Our principals, Bode Chemie, founded in 1924 and a 100% subsidiary of Hartmann Group, is a complete science and research-driven company. They have been associated with the Robert Koch Institute for past many years to meet all the challenges related to hospital infection control. Bode has a Bode Science Center, which was founded to help prevent nosocomial infection through training and consultation. Bode's state-of-the-art manufacturing unit has been awarded all the prestigious quality assurance certificates, including the Environmental Protection Certificate. We, Raman and Wheel Private Limited, have been importing their products in bulk and subdividing them at our WHO GMP certified factory at Daman. Now, this product does not require any introduction. Sterilium is world's #1 alcohol rub and been awarded the brand of the century. Sterilium has been successful for over 55 years. Sterilium is the favorite of millions of users around the globe. And thanks to its antimicrobial efficacy and special skin protectors, which ensure 30% increase in skin hydration on frequent use. Also, Sterilium undergoes a special 0.2 micron filtration to ensure complete sterility and purity of the solution. Now, coming to this topic of range of disinfectants for endoscopes, I would just like to quote Dr. Murli Chakravarti sir during the beginning of the session, where he had put up a slide on how hospital-acquired infections are and sterilization and disinfection processes are inversely interrelated. That's absolutely true. A good disinfection and sterilization of instruments can bring down the hospital-acquired infection. Let's understand how surgical infections are a major cause of morbidity and mortality in low and middle income countries. Inadequately reprocessed surgical instruments can be a vector for pathogens. Time and again, it has been found that a large gap exists between instrument reprocessing practices and the recommended policy and procedures. The identified areas for improvement include instrument cleaning, decontamination, sterilization, aspects of instrument reprocessing, and verification of sterilization. Basically, reprocessing is the treatment of the contaminated instruments to protect the patients and the staff without affecting the quality of the instrument. And also, the value of the instrument is to be preserved. Special challenges for instruments that are made of small, delicate components or sensitive material, and their narrow lumens, which make it difficult for cleaning and disinfection. These are the areas which are covered with our high-tech disinfectants from Bode Chemie, Hamburg, Germany, to ensure 100% confidence. Coming to the range of our products, we would like to start with Corsolex Plus. It's an aldehyde-free disinfectant concentrate, ideal for heat-sensitive and heat-resistant instruments. With powerful cleaning effect and corrosion inhibitors and pH regulators, Corsolex is very safe. It does not disturb the lens cement, which holds the lens together in an endoscope. Thereby, the life of the endoscope is enhanced. The standard solution to be used is 2%, and the diluted solution can be used over and over again till 7 days. And the shelf life of concentrate solution is up to 3 years. When we talk about the chemical composition, it's a very unique 5th generation quaternary ammonium compound, didecyl dimethyl ammonium chloride, along with a very powerful cleaner, dodecyl bispropylene triamine. Manufactured as per the European Pharmacopoeia, Corsolex Plus is listed in the German Association for Applied Hygiene, and CE labeling is in accordance with the medical device directives. Excellent material compatibility endorsed by world-renowned endoscope manufacturers like Fujinon, Karl Storz, Olympus, Richard Wolf. Moving to our other product, we have this are the European norms which Corsolex Plus passes to ensure you complete disinfection of all types of instrument. Coming to our next product, Corsolex Rapid. It's an aldehyde-based sterilizer concentrate for thermolabile and thermostable instrument. Corsolex Rapid contains rust inhibitors and high-tech cleansers. It's very safe as it does not disturb the lens cement in endoscopes. Standard solution to be used is at 5% dilution. And the best part of this product is it ensures complete sterilization of all types of instruments and endoscopes within 4 hours of immersion. Stability of the diluted solution is up to 7 days, and 3 years is the shelf life of the concentrate. Chemical composition is a very unique complex combination of 2 aldehydes, that is glutaraldehyde along with 1,6-dihydroxine, 2,5-diohexane with a very powerful cleaner. Manufactured as per European Pharmacopoeia, CE labeling is in accordance with the medical device directive. Excellent material compatibility further endorsed by Karl Storz, Pentax, and Richard Wolf. If you look at the stringent European norms, which ensures the antimicrobial efficacy of a product, you can see all the top EN norms are passed with Corsolex Rapid, including the EN 14347 for sporicidal efficacy of the product. Bodedex Fort is a highly researched product from our parent company, Bode Chemie, Germany. It is a pH neutral cleaner for heat sensitive and heat resistant instruments. Patented self-acting liquid cleaner, reliable and gentle in removing stubborn residues of blood, proteins, secretions, grease, biofilms, and X-ray contrast media. Bodedex Fort is very safe, contains special complexing agent to remove hardness, water hardness, ideal for pre-cleaning and cleaning of instruments having narrow lumen in case of specialized endoscopes. Duodenoscopes that are heavily contaminated with residues of contrast media can also be cleaned with Bodedex Fort. Automatic circulation machine, ultrasonic bath for removal of contrast media residues. The chemical composition is highly researched non-ionic and amphoteric surfactants have been taken together along with solvents, complexing agents, corrosion inhibitors, and anti-foaming agents and preservatives. CE labeling in accordance with medical device. Material compatibility is again excellent on all types of surfaces and instruments, endorsed by international endoscope manufacturers like Fujinon, Karl Storz, Olympus, and Richard Wolf. Here I would like to draw an attention for everyone. This is a comparison of 2 products, percentage of success when cleaning contaminated duodenoscopes. You can very clearly see on this slide that 98% of cleaning is achieved with Bodedex Fort compared to an enzyme-based product with just 69%. This is a published study available on request, which shows the superiority of Bodedex Fort on enzyme-based product. The standard solution to be used is 0.5% to 1%. Stability of the diluted solution is 1 day, 24 hours, and the concentrate is shelf life is for 3 years. All efficacy reports, material compatibility reports, and endorsements are available on request. Our other products for instruments include Bacillol 25, an alcohol-based product. Wet task wipes are specialized wipes from Kimberly-Clark, soaked in Bacillol 25, Bactol 25, glutathione 2% and 2.45% glutathione OPA. Hospitals, you rely on rely on us. This is the list of our satisfied customer base across India and many, many more. Raman & Vail is your one-stop source for solutions protecting against nosocomial infections, aiming at offering our customers scientifically proven solutions. Thank you all and stay safe.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, GS Anand, for that introduction of your advanced products. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
For sharing your time.
Yeah, thanks, Mr. Anand. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.